how to remove the Swann Smart Doorbell from the wall and unmount it. So if you just bought a house and it comes with this Swann Smart Doorbell, you probably want to know how to remove it so you can recharge it. So it should come with this small Allen key. If you haven't got one, then you will need to purchase one from the hardware stores. And underneath here there is a tiny hole right there. You need to put this one into the hole and then twist it this way. So twist it clockwise to undo the screws, and from there you can unmount it. So give it a few twists until you feel it is loose, and then from here what we want to do is to push it up. So there are small clip on the side, so we just have to push it up like this. So you can hear it click, and then you can just take it out. Now you can see the mounting clips on the side here. And that's it. So that's how you can unmount it and then charge it. Now here is the charging port in here. So it uses a standard charging USB cable. So if you've got an Android phone, you can plug into the mobile phone charger and you can charge up this device. It probably takes you a few hours to charge it up. Once it is full, you can mount it back on. So there is an app you can download and use it with this smart doorbell. Once you put it back on, you need to pull it down. So you need to pull really hard down. Once it is pulled down, you can put this Allen key back into the hole here and then twist it in the right directions. It will allow you to lock the device in place to prevent from people stealing it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.